Hello, agents, and welcome to another episode of Travel Tea Tuesday, where we share the latest travel deals, travel promo codes, and of course, all of the travel agent news that we can find. Okay, so it's early over here, so right now I am drinking my Earl Grey tea. So let me go ahead and take my first sip. All right, what kind of tea are you guys drinking today? All right, let's go ahead and jump in. So I always like to share some type of positive travel news. So over here, I saw this about the CN Tower, and so that's inside of Ontario, Canada. And so around this time, a few dates. Well, actually today is the day that the CN Tower opened to the public. Okay, and that was way in 1976. Let's hop on over to these travel advisories. I have not taken a peek, so I'll be just as surprised as you. All right, so let's see. Come on. All right, travel advisories. All right, so there are no new travel advisories, which is a good thing. This is a good thing. All right, let's jump into this some travel news. So I picked some travel news to share with you guys. All right, so the first one, Southwest is having some type of um, sweepstakes. See, sweepstakes. Let's see, chance to win your travel getaway. And this is probably for consumers, but hey, listen, we can get in on it as well. Let's see. It's called Summer of Ghost Sweepstakes, and so during the next 10 weeks, Southwest will offer customers weekly chance to win incredible destination prizes, prize packages, starting with a dream trip to Colorado Springs. So, how do we get in on this? Okay. Let's see. Ways to win. All right. Enjoy round or what do you win? A round trip flights, 5,000 rewards points, 3 nights hotel stay, $300 Visa gift card, $250 Visa gift card. And so, how to enter? Okay. So each week, Southwest will reveal a new destination, and entrants will receive a promotional discount code to use towards booking a flight to that week's location on Southwest.com. The sweepstakes is open to legal residents of the 50 USC. Okay, yada yada yada. No purchases necessary. So, okay. So I guess go on Southwest website, and they will have the promo code, and you just enter it there. That's pretty sweet. I love it. Thank you, Southwest. Let's keep on going. All right. So this next one was for Qatar Airlines. If it would go. This is raggedy. There we go. So, not Qatar, Qantas celebrates new Paris flights with French-inspired onboard items. So, I'm looking at the more towards the new Paris flights. Let's see. So, taking off from the 12th of July, the Flying Kangaroo will be the only airline to offer direct flights between Perth and Paris, adding more than 75,000 seats between Australia and Europe. So okay, so this is only for Australians. Seems, but let me finish reading. After living in Paris. Yeah, so yeah, we shouldn't have any Australian clients because we're US based. All right, let's keep going. I saw this next one and I'm always super excited about stuff like this. So Ensemble has launched a luxury program, a luxury certificate program. So once this goes, come on, there we go. A luxury certificate program. Get rid of all of the ads. Do I need to refresh? What do I need to do? Let's do this. This is. Oh, Lord, I just had to scroll down. Oh my gosh. Okay, so Ensemble has launched its luxury certificate program. And so if you guys don't know, Ensemble is our consortium. So if you're trying to get into this program, it's probably going to be under U of E, it's University of Ensemble. So Ensemble has emphasized luxury in recent years. The consortium has a partnership with Jamaica Tourist Board and properties and offer a certificate program. Yes. I love it. I love it. So yes, for all of my luxury travel agents, check out that new certificate course. And hey, post your certificate on social media. I'm telling you now, clients love seeing that you are certified in a certain area. Like they feel super confident that you can handle their booking as a travel agent. So yes, luxury travel agent program, certificate program over inside of Ensemble. So yeah, you want to go to, I think when you go into your Ensemble portal, I think it's under training opportunities. It'll be over to the left, but you're going to go to, it's called University of Ensemble to get there. I saw this next one about Wyndham Rewards. And so they had some offering. I saw this 30 nights of hotel stays for $4.99. Said, what? Okay, so over here, Wyndham Rewards is launching the Ultimate Hotel Pass, a first of its kind offering that unlocks 30 nights of hotel stays for just $4.99 plus tax, whether you're lounging for sandy beaches or yada yada. Okay, so get to it. Act fast, though. Only 25 passes are available. And what? 25? 25 passes? Okay. Hopefully nobody else knows about this. Okay, Wyndham Rewards is known for, okay, so yeah. So how do you get it? So pass like on any other. The Wyndham Rewards Ultimate Hotel Pass is like any other on the market today, offering access to Wyndham extensive hotels and resort portfolio. That's a steal. 30 nights of hotel stays redeemable over the next 3 months. Access to nearly 9,200 hotels and resorts, including Caesars Rewards. This is pretty cool. Visit Hotel Pass, WyndhamRewards.com/Hotel Pass to register for a chance to purchase pass when they go on sale July 8th. Ooh, thank God. Won't he do it? So maybe somebody that's listening on our side has a chance to win. So it starts on July 8th and then registration, what? Oh, when they go on sale July 8th and then registration closes on July 4th, 2024. Okay. All right, so starting on July 8th, 25 potential pass holders who register will randomly be selected and notified of their opportunity to claim and purchase a pass. Notified travelers will have 48 hours to claim their passes. Ooh, y'all doing this? Y'all put that in the comments. I ain't gonna lie, I'm about to go register. Listen, if we win, we win. We don't, we don't. But that's a good deal. Over here, I found the next deal about Kentucky Travel. And Kentucky Travel, you can get commission for it. So they're launching 9 new trips worldwide. So let's see if it just lists them. All right, so I'm just guessing New Zealand. All right, so I guess I gotta read. All right. So Kentucky is for ages 18 to 35. Let's see. 9 itineraries take you to North American glaciers, national parks, Banff, Jasper National Parks in Canada, Glacier National Parks in the United States over the course of 12 days, the North American glaciers and national parks. Let's see, US, Canada's Rockies. Let's see. So, yeah, let me see if I can find more information. Oh, Vietnam, South Asia. Ooh, that's something good for y'all to check out, right? But I like Kentucky. All right, let's jump into these travel emails. All right, so over here, the very first one that we have is Ireland webinar. All right. Oh, this is all right. Let me keep going on that one. That was no bueno. All right. So this one over here. So we got Aruba, Joya, Aruba. It's a new Opera Star resort. All right. And so it's going to be opening in late 2024, you guys. Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? So ocean view suites, wide choice of bars and restaurants, beach bar, casino. I love it. All right. So that's Opera Star. Coming soon. All right, who is this? Eli Island Resorts, Super Summer Sale from $129 per person per night. Take advantage of all-inclusive limited time offer by calling now to book your all-inclusive summer vacation. So I saw this and it really piqued my interest. All right, so you guys can maybe contact them and keep it going. All right, Palace Company. Who is this? Okay, they got a lot of different ones. All right, all right, claim your summer savings and earning. Why did I put this here? Oh, right here. So they'll favor with $250. Okay, so these two resorts, Baglioni and Blanc Spa Resorts, claim your summer savings and earn as the summer season draws near. These are adults only properties in Cancun's and Los Cabos, or escape to Italy, London, or the Maldives, and you'll get a 250 Spark credit. Well, not you, your client will get this, and this is complimentary hydrotherapy with round trip airport transfers. So yeah, here are the resorts right here. So the booking window is from now to September the 30th for Le Blanc. And then over here, our consortia amenities. Ooh, it is combinable with our consortia amenities. That's pretty cool. All right. So yes, let's keep looking. Save up to 30% on their summer escape at Le Blanc and $250 Spark credit for the client. Here's Cabo, 30 up to 30% off plus that 250 Spark credit over here. This is in Italy or London. Same thing, up to 35% off kids stay free and daily breakfast. I like that. And then over here, let's see. That is it. All right. So there you go. You got LeBlanc and you got Baglioni. So head over to their main page. Pop another IATA number, they will know exactly who we are. Let's keep going. All right, CIE. They have some group bonuses for those that are booking groups. All right. So, of course, the commission earns 18% commission, free passengers. So, enjoy complimentary places. Three on all for coach. Two for groups of 32, one for groups of 16, or a 50% discount for the 10th passenger, which could be you. All right. So, exclusive discounts, zero risk. Book now without any upfront payment and enjoy a worry-free planning process. Y'all check that out. Let's see. And then they do have some new bookings, new destinations. Let's see. Earn up to 800 on 2024 Iceland group bookings. Earn 700 on 2025 group bookings. All right. So yes, yes, yes. All right. So I got a few more that's over in the other area to share with y'all. If my computer wants to be great. All right. Let's see. All right. So this over here, of course, Southwest is still having their $59 sale. And I thought that I'd mention it to you guys. Maybe on the other side, you won't be able to, if the picture would upload, you may not be able to book your clients that the $59 sale. Come on. Be able to book your clients the $59 sale. There we go. There. All right. And then August travels included. So you may not be able to book your client that $59 sale. Or hey, check Vax. Maybe even inside of Vax, they have already uploaded those $59 deals there because Southwest is inside of Vax. So check that out. But if you can't book that $59 sale for your clients, hey, book it for yourself. Okay. I do remember last week we talked a little bit about Casa de Campo, and I don't like mentioning suppliers multiple times within the same month. I like giving all suppliers a chance. They have something good going on. But hey, listen, Casa de Campo is having that food and wine festival. Okay, it's October the 11th and 12th. All right. Casa de Campo, love it, love it, love it. I think I have a review video out there on Casa de Campo, but we absolutely love Casa de Campo over here. So I thought that you guys would know. But yeah, they have their festival coming up. And then over here, La Campagne, I can't even talk. La Campagne, y'all. I'm not even attempting this today. La Campagne, y'all, let me know how to say this. La Compagnie. It's French. So La Compagnie. All right. So this is the one that has those private, semi-private flights. Okay. And so they're having direct flights from Newark to Paris. And yeah, I know we got some luxury clients out there that like private. So yeah, they are having a sale, and there it's commissionable. Right? So over here on this side, Horizons Ensemble, they have released the full itinerary. So that's going to be September 16th through 19th, Resorts World, Las Vegas. Y'all going? Y'all going? Y'all going? Let me know. All right. So over here, they're going to be doing pop culture and travel, hosted cruises, certification courses, accelerating your PR presence, and using a range, use range to grow business. All right. If any of y'all are going, let me know. All right. So over here, this was the other CIE tours that I was telling you about. They have the different locations. So of course, we got Ireland, Sicily, Spain, Dublin. Right. Those are the new 2025 tours. And then Ryu, they have two new properties. Let's see, newly opened on May 31st. So Hotel Ryu Turquoise, and then Hotel Ryu Palace. Oh, I love Palace, y'all. Palace is like more like, if you ask me, like more on the luxury side. Meritus. All right. The difference is this one is adults only. Um, and this is family friendly. Yeah, that's the biggest difference. And let's see. South of Meritus. Yep. So if y'all know anything about Ryu, I've said it before. Ryu Pro is not really for agents. I don't know why they make Ryu Pro, but whatever. That's another story. But if you're looking for Ryu properties, check some other travel suppliers. Okay. Over here, Celebrity, our amazing Miss Taylor, sent us an email on our celebrity cruise incentives. So the retreat suites, when you book those, you get $150 dollar per stateroom credit. Over here, concierge and aqua, $125 per stateroom. It's an incentive. One incentive for you. And then over here, veranda, ocean view, and inside, $100 per stateroom. And then so the booking window is June the 3rd over to June the 30th. Okay. And so if you want to redeem those, if you have booked anything celebrity and you need the link and you don't have it in your email, just send me a quick email and let me know that you need the link. All right. So that is going to wrap up our episode of Travel Tea Tuesday. I know it's probably a little short, but I really hope that you enjoyed this week's Travel Tea Tuesday. And we will talk to you next week. Bye.